Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you with a quick radar update. We have some snow that continues across the region, and it's actually piling up pretty good in the non-watch warning advisory area of southern Minnesota. So just to the south and west of the Twin Cities, here's where we're seeing some more significant snow. This forecast update will show you what's going on now as things are intensifying for the evening.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, our winter storm warning is about to get underway. We do have a few snowfall reports in northeast parts of South Dakota heading into the evening hours. But it's what's going on down here, moving in toward the Twin Cities now. This band of precipitation adding up pretty fairly quickly. We do have a little bit of snow left in the Red River Valley as well, but taking a quick look at the radar, we can see some of the heavier bands of snow are from Wilmer through Glencoe and on towards Northfield right now, just south of the metro area in the Twin Cities. Aberdeen picking up a more intensifying band of snow as forecast, supposed to pick up now between now and about 11 o'clock tonight. Overnight, some of this will give us a break, and what we're seeing going on in Minnesota is actually going to warm up in the overnight hours thanks to some south winds. Now, here's what roads look like. We'll start with Minnesota first, as we're starting to see some snow piling up. And in fact, when we take a look down in the southern part of the state, all of these counties, by the way, that are purple are under the winter storm warning or winter weather advisories here in the region. But look at all the pink roads completely covered as you go down towards Madison, Dawson, Montevideo. Here's what it looks like. That's significant snow on the area roads down there in southern Minnesota. That is on the Highway 212 out there as we look into the Granite Falls area to the other side of Montevideo. Same thing goes. Several inches of snow, wet, heavy, slushy nonsense on the roads there. Here's the Pipestone area and points south. We got some snow shower activity showing up there as well. And watch out for areas of patchy, dense fog tonight with the snow, moisture on the ground. We have some problems. Crashes are these little asterisks that we see here as we take you in towards the Gibbon area, Gaylord area. Let's go ahead and see what we have going on the highways there. This is the stuff that's moving into the Twin Cities area and just south right now. Real pasty looking roads down there. Now, looking into South Dakota, if your travels take you there, here's what we have going on. There is a band of snow. It's not far from Aberdeen right now that is showing up on the radar. So as we go out towards just south of Langford, we notice this. Very wet looking camera shot right there. Not necessarily very white, so that's a good sign. Sisseton, here's what it looks like there on I-29. So if you're traveling south of Fargo, that's what you can anticipate there. And we do have some areas that have had some problems near Watertown where we got a report of 6 inches of flaky goodness. And because of the snow on the ground and all the moisture working its way in with the south winds, you got it. Patchy, dense areas of fog, setting up shop out there in places that have some snow on the ground. So that's a look at what's going on right now. You should be where you want to be tonight. And if you don't have to travel, it's not recommended to do so. We do have the winter storm warning that will be continuing. I'll have an update on the forecast coming up here real quickly. But for now, that's a look at the latest on the radar. And again, remember, you can get the latest weather anytime, anywhere on hutchesweather.com. Road conditions are right here for you. You can use the tools just as I've shown you to look at the cameras from our DOT sites as snow is now spreading through southern Minnesota in places that were expected to get mainly rain. It is snowing heavy wet snow down there. Nationally speaking, we do have some weather going on as well, and that is severe weather potential in the Central Plains. But for our area, that's a quick look right now. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson, appreciating each and every one of you for slamming the follow button on Facebook. Over 61,000 of you have done so. And now, just as of today, over 7,000 have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you also very much. I'll keep you updated right here. You are watching Hutch's Weather.